Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. In this digital age with apps and bots and scams and the online world very unfamiliar to many parents, how can we help our children have financial literacy? We continue the last in our interview series with international Forex educator Gordon Clark II, who has taught financial principles in 129 countries. Mr. Clark shares his views on how parents can empower their children to have a new stream of income from their online trading account. Gordon, what we want to understand is in this environment of AI, in this environment of digital transformation, we're in the information age. You're a father of two daughters.
Yes.
You have traveled to over 100 countries, including Jamaica. You're here with us for a few days, to educate persons on how to earn from Forex. What is your vision for children? You know, as a father, as an educator, give us a brief idea.
Well, basically, the children are really, it's kind of cliche, but it's the truth when they say the children are the future. One thing that I would say the youth has over us is they came in with AI. They're coming into an era where we have social media. And so the spirit of entrepreneurship is already in them. You see people right now, kids having Shopify, Etsy pages and all that. So they're coming up in the era of entrepreneurship. So that right there alone really sets them ahead of us, because we came from an era where we worked for somebody's job.
Right.
Who was really an entrepreneur.
Right.
And they hired us to do the heavy work and the heavy lifting. So we have a mindset of work for somebody else, and children are coming in with, I'm working for myself. You're seeing a lot of them also, like with TikTok pages, doing content creation. So you're starting to see them break free from the mindset of pretty much what I call the slavery to a job. Because one thing that I've noticed is one of the biggest setbacks for us is our addiction to hard manual labor for our primary source of income.
Oh, wow. For the trading period ending August 18, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited, Jamaica dollar shares with 3,660,405 units traded, representing 18.31% of market sales volume. Investment house Sagicor Select Funds Limited, manufacturing and distribution with 1,442,995 units traded, representing 7.22% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited US dollar shares with 1,365,064 units traded, representing 6.83% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On August 18, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $56.26 million purchased and US $52.7 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders sold the US at $161.34 and bought the US at $159.31. Forex traders then sold the Canadian dollar at $161.71 and bought at $115.27. Forex traders sold the British pound for $219.52 and bought at $212.90. For our credit report tip of the day, securing funding as a small business owner can feel like climbing a mountain, especially when your credit score isn't where you'd like it to be. Bankers don't just look at numbers, they look at how you prepare, how you present your financial story, and how you plan to manage future debt. The good news? Even with a score under 600, there are smart ways to approach your banker and position yourself for success. You can offer collateral or a guarantor to reduce risk. You can bundle requests strategically so the banker sees the big picture. And you can ask about secured credit cards or credit builder loans. When you're building something from nothing, the quiet seasons of life can feel like pauses. But for professional women over the age of 45, they're powerful turning points. This is when recovery transforms into resilience, when reflection leads to reinvention, and when financial wisdom earned through experience becomes the foundation for new wealth-building opportunities. Here are some ideas. Create a passive income stream with digital products. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Explore REITs or real estate exposure. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.